In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson SureColor T5000 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson SureColor T5000 support, and you want to search for that. Best results should come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson SureColor T5000. Open that up. And now going down, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down menu and select Go. And then scrolling down again, expand the Utilities section. And then you want to locate an item in here that says Epson Net Config Utility. Go ahead and select Download. Open up that file. Once it's on downloading, should be a verified publisher. Select Yes. And then proceed with the installation for the utility here. Just follow it along as you would any normal application. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.